Hey, it's Robin, and if you find it challenging improvising freely over chord sequences, try this super simple 3-step system. Step 1, identify the chord type. What are you playing over? Is it major, minor, or dominant 7th? Simple as that, and forget the numbers, 9, 6, 13, 27, flat 100. They're only there to confuse you. Step 2, map out the shapes visually on the fretboard for that chord. So say it says A minor, then you get your A minor shapes, which are the flavors, right? Which you're gonna base your solos on. I'll be teaching you all this on the free live class on Saturday, right? So for each chord, you map out visually on the fretboard. And step 3, which is crucial, you actually fire up the backing track and apply the shapes. This is Joseph, A minor, right? All the different flavors. Now it's E7, I've got my shapes, right? And you go through the piece like that, and it will actually teach you all the good notes that you're meant to be playing when you improvise. So if you're a beginner and you would like to learn this system, come and join me for a free live workshop this Saturday, right? I'll be going in depth and showing you how to use it on Joseph, Bossa Dorado, and Sweet Georgia Brown, and it's free. Comment class on this video or go to livewithrobin.com. You know the drill.